This video will show you how to create a visual representation of your data in Microsoft Excel. Add your data to the chart. Once completed, create a pie chart using your data. Select all of your data. Click the Insert tab. Click the pie chart icon. You'll see several options: 2D pie, 3D pie, donut. You can also click More Pie Charts to view all available options. Formatting your pie chart. Change your chart style. Change your chart color. Click your chart. Then click the plus from the side icons. Click the arrow next to Data Labels, then More Options. The right panel will be visible. Customize the chart area. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.